Hi guys, it's Dani here and welcome back to my channel. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate your support. And if you are new, please do hit the subscribe button and join our little fam. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you my top 3 purchases of this year that have just improved my life, productivity, and all that good stuff. So let's just get straight into it. So the first item I'm dying to plug, and you guys have probably seen me talk about it on my videos before, is this Aroma Diffuser. So I actually received this as a gift for Christmas last year, but let's just ignore that. And basically what you do is add water and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. So this one is great because it's got a timer feature, but also light. So you can change the light. You can either have it rolling through automatically different colors, or you can pick your favorite. So if I'm using this in the evening, I usually like to go for, 180 minutes on the timer. So that gives me enough time to have my shower, start reading my book, get into the relaxation frame of mind. And then I'll go for the cool light setting. So I'll leave it on a low blue, which just fills the room with this nice cool blue light, which helps me fall asleep. So I would absolutely recommend adding an aroma diffuser to your collection of bits and bobs. I'll pop some links below of a few alternatives that you can pick up yourselves. So you guys probably know by now that I'm a bit of an organization freak, so the second item probably won't surprise you that much, but it's this whiteboard. So I actually picked up this whiteboard from Tiger, and it's just a weekly whiteboard with the days, a little bit of space for you to write what's happening on each day. So I love to use this because normally I like to use, productivity tools such as apps, but this is really nice to have a visual aid in my room I can see on the wall. So, in the morning, I'm just cool, Monday, what's going on? Tuesday, yoga, yes. So it's just nice to have it visually laid out and easy to see what's going on essentially. So I love this, and it's nice that it's a whiteboard so it's not, wasteful, throwing paper away. And the last item, I guess, is a bit more techy, but it's actually this Anker phone charger. So this is a power bank that holds 4 iPhone full charges in, which is just... So I picked this up earlier this year when I was heading out to Cuba because I just wasn't sure when I'd be able to charge and things like that. And it was an absolute lifesaver, but I've actually continued to use it quite a lot since I've been home as well. So even just on a day-to-day basis, I'll just throw it in the bottom of my handbag, or if I'm traveling, especially, when you're going to the airport and you can't be bothered to charge your phone the night before, or your phone goes flat on the airplane, this is amazing to have. It's really great because it's got 2 USB ports as well. So if you are with someone else, they can also charge up. And yeah, the only thing I would say about this is you need to leave it overnight to charge because it does carry quite a lot of charge. So obviously it takes a long time to charge it up, but definitely worth adding to the collection. I would recommend buying this on Black Friday. So I'll pop the link below for the Amazon link for that. So that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm looking forward to seeing what 3 things you had this year which have really improved, your general life, well-being, productivity. Link them down below so we can share them. Thank you so much for watching again. If you are not subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll leave my last video here for you guys to watch. I think you'll enjoy it. Thank you so much for checking this out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.